I'm Tanya, and I'm with Semgrep at the Semgrep Level Up Party in Las Vegas. And I'm with Drew. Drew, can you introduce yourself?
Sure. Hi, Tanya. I'm Drew. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Semgrep, and super excited to be here.
Awesome. So I heard that you are doing some AI stuff, and AI is all the rage right now. Are you allowed to share a bit of our secret AI sauce?
Sure, just a little bit. We have a great team, and I've now been leading the AI effort for the last month. One of the cool things we're doing is we're actually trying to automatically generate Semgrep rules using LLMs. And so we're kind of training on all the rules that our security experts have written, and we're fine-tuning a model for that. So that's really cool.
But Semgrep comes with a whole bunch of rules, doesn't it?
Yeah, we have tons of rules. We have a huge security research team, and they're constantly writing new rules. I think we have support for at least 30 languages and a whole bunch of frameworks for those. So if you buy the paid version of Semgrep, you can really just configure it, and it will automatically run the most relevant rules.
Don't we have like a place where people can play around and just test things out too?
We do. We have this super cool playground where you can actually try out a rule in our web UI, and you can immediately get feedback on if the rule's going to work, and it's really cool.
Don't we have this new thing called Query Council? What's that about?
So Query Council is this idea that what if you could take a Semgrep rule and you could just instantly search all of your code at your company and look for patterns. And this is particularly interesting when there's like a new threat or a vulnerability out in the wild, like think about Log4j or this latest polyfill attack. And, you can just write a Semgrep rule and instantly see, are you vulnerable or not? So it's really, really powerful capability.
What does writing a custom rule mean for the security team? Like, how is that powerful?
So writing a custom rule is really interesting because you can understand the context of your company's code. And if there's a specific pattern that you're like, oh, we never want to see this happen, or we always want it to be done this way, you can write a Semgrep rule to kind of get this nice guardrail that lets developers just write rules, write software, not have to think about it. But when they trigger the Semgrep rule, then the security team can come in and help and partner with the developers to make sure the code is secure.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Can a developer write a rule?
Absolutely. We have so many developers that have written rules. Internally, all of our engineers are writing rules, not even just for security, but things like performance, correctness. Whenever we have a bug, we try to see if we can write a Semgrep rule for it. And I think actually one of the Go performance experts has written a whole collection of performance rules specifically for the Go programming language, which I think is super cool. And it's fun to see the community adopting Semgrep for both security uses and more broadly software engineering.
So I also heard that you might have made a really cool Semgrep rule set that finds shadow AI. What's that?
I did. It was an idea I had, and I was actually on the train during our hack week where we just can kind of work on whatever we want. And it was an idea where I was like, there's a lot of companies that are super excited about AI. And so you have a bunch of engineers just like trying something out with AI. They want to